ครับมาถึงเลยมาล่าอยู่บ้าน
So, Niuland to take the first penalty kick. They always say the team that goes first usually has the advantage in penalties. You have to score them though. This is the dreaded penalty spot. Niuland taking it first. 1-0 for the men in blue. Mon with a chance to level. And it's 1-1, sends the goalkeeper the wrong way. Wow. Coca with a chance to make it 2-1 for Niuland. Tick-tock, 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 Coca! 2-1 into the bottom corner. Niuland 2, Mon 1. Oh, the tension. You can feel the tension, guys. It's palpable in the stands. It's palpable in the... Mon to take the next penalty kick. And he scores straight down the middle. Nicely done, Putu. Chance for Niuland now. Oh, bottom corner again. 3-2 for Niuland. Mon to take their third penalty kick. Scores! 3-3. And he misses! Oh my word! Sends it high and wide. Mon have the edge. Chance for Mon to make it 4-3. Oh, he's missed it again! Oh! It remains at 3-3. Niuland now with another opportunity. And he scores! And now the pressure is all on Mon. Pressure is all on Mon. They have to score this. They just have to score this. Pressure on Mon. And he scores. And we carry on. It's 4-4. And he's missed it! Chance for Mon to win! Oh my word, if Mon score, Mon win! This penalty kick for Mon to become immortal at their grasp. Mon win it! Mon champions of the 2025 Dr. Tiao Trophy. It may say